we are going to show you the house we are currently living in here in China. Actually, we moved quite a lot. We've been together for 8 years, and during our less than 5 years of living in China, we've already moved like 7 times.
I'm a mover. I should change my name to U-Haul.
But this house is the biggest and it's the first villa we ever lived in.
Yes.
Hi! So today I'm giving you guys a little house tour. Let's start from the basement. This level is mainly used as a garage and a storage space. As you can see, we got our e-scooter and the kids' bikes down here. The basement isn't fully finished yet, so it's not really part of our daily living area, but the space is quite big. Next to the garage is our gate. It has a camera and a smart lock that we set up ourselves. Opening the gate. From here, a staircase leads directly to the main part of the house. Along the stairs, there are a few flower beds. I haven't planted anything there yet. And you'll see that the house is right next to our neighbors. I almost forgot to mention the rent. We pay 3,500 RMB a month to the landlord. On top of that, there's a mandatory property management fee of 700, which goes to the property management office. So in total, the monthly cost comes to 4,200, which is about 577 US dollars. And that's not including water, electricity, or gas. And welcome to the backyard.
Hello! Hi!
When we first moved in a year ago, this house had been sitting empty for 5 or 6 years, so the backyard, total disaster zone. It was like the weeds decided to throw a party here and never left. Everything you see here now, the grass, the plants, the trampoline, was added after we moved in. And Eric did all of it himself. I'm talking digging, moving, planning, painting. He turned chaos into, well, organized chaos. But it's our chaos, and I love it. And about the fencing, you see that fabric we wrapped around? Yeah, it's not exactly Pinterest perfect design, but it works. Wanna guess why we did it? I'll spill the bean in a minute. Okay, now let's head inside. Welcome to our living room. And the kitchen, aka where the magic and most of the mess happened. When we first moved in, this house was completely empty, like empty. We checked out a few other houses in this area, and unfurnished ones like this rent for around 3,500 RMB. If you want furniture and appliances included though, you're looking at an extra 1,000 RMB per month. So yeah, everything you see here, the furniture, decor, and cute little touches was bought by us. And by bought, I mean there were way too many trips to IKEA. Let's start with the kitchen. There used to be a door here, but we took it out. From the kitchen window, you get a lovely view of the backyard and our neighbor's house. Yep, they're that close. That's why we put up the fabric fencing, because, you know, private matters. Right next to the kitchen is the living room.
Hi!
And oh my gosh, let's talk about the ceiling. It's 6 meters high. Eric climbed up there to install the chandelier and curtains all by himself. Watching him up on that ladder, let's just say my heart was doing gymnastics. Proud wife, but also low-key panicking the entire time. Over there is the balcony and our front yard. This is where we do laundry and store our shoe cabinets. Oh, and it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, by the way. If you have a toddler, you'll totally understand why the bottom half of our tree is ornament-free. You know how grabby can those tiny hands be. Finally, here's our front yard. You can see the street below, and across from us there are a few houses that are pretty much always empty. So if you're into peaceful neighbors and don't mind the occasional free show of us running after our kids in the front yard, we'd love to have you as our neighbor.
Look at this. Okay.
Okay, let's head back inside. Over here is an extra room that was a work in progress when we moved in. It was basically just an open space with no windows, so we added a custom window and turned it into our office, study room where we pretend to be productive. And right next to that is the ground floor bathroom. It's definitely got everything you need and gets the job done. Time to go upstairs. The staircase has such nice natural light and you can see the backyard from here. First up is the guest room. We don't really have guests over, so right now it's just extra storage space for us. It does come with its own bathroom. Next is the kids' bedroom, which is also empty for now. Don't worry, I'll explain why in a second. It also has an attached bathroom, which is obviously the kids' space. And now the master bedroom. You notice there are 2 beds in here. That's because we moved the kids' bed in with ours, so all 5 of us sleep in the same room. I know it's not everyone's thing, but it works for us. Having the kids in our room makes things way cozier, more chill, and honestly, we all sleep better. It just feels more fun and connected as a family. And this is my vanity, my little happy corner where I get to feel all fancy and put together. Here's the master bedroom. It's definitely the biggest one in the house. And the mirror doubles as a storage cabinet. Love a good multifunctional design. Through this door is the second floor balcony. It's super spacious. But quick notes, since this is a duplex, part of our house is directly above the neighbors, so no stomping around up there. And that's the full tour of our house. I hope you enjoy exploring our home and seeing what living in a duplex townhouse in China is like. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.